In this video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Bitbucket branch. In order to do that, first head over to their website, which is bitbucket.org. From in there, click onto this Try It Now, or click onto this Get It Free option that we can see right here. Doing this will allow you to register and create an account using Bitbucket. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to do so by clicking onto this Sign In option. So here is my account, and I've already signed in. But to merge a Bitbucket branch, you can do so by creating a pull request. So navigate to your repository and open that. And from in there, click on this pull request on the left sidebar. Once you're in there, you just need to create a pull request. Click on this create. And then after that, it will open in here this option in order to create a new pull request for that. Let's wait for this to load. Input right here the source branch and the destination branch. So if you have other branches, you can proceed to change that right here. Change in here the title, descriptions, reviewers, and also delete the actual main branch after the pull request is merged. So you can enable that as well. Now proceed to input right here the details that we can use into this and just review the strategy. Then finalize the merge using that. Proceed and head over and then click onto this create pull request option once you're done with everything that we need. Doing that will actually merge Bitbucket branch that you have right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. If you have any questions, you can also comment them down in the comment section below, and we look forward to hearing from you again. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.